صح.
Okay. Hello, my dear listeners. Today we will talk about the cell. The cell is the structural and fundamental unit of living organism. Living organism consists of living organism consists of tissues. Many tissues with each us give us organs, and many organs with each us consists systems, and many organs, many systems consists the human body. And before tissues, we have cells. I'm sorry, I forgot. The cells is the structural and fundamental unit of the living organism. We have plant cell and animal cell. يبقى الcells هي building blocks of life. They are the smallest unit in an organism. What are the differences and similarities between the plant cell and animal cell? Firstly, we must know that both plant cell and animal cell have nucleus. This is the nucleus. And the plant cell have nucleus. Also, both have cell membrane. Cell membrane. Okay? Also, both have cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. And both have mitochondria. Mitochondria. So there are four structures that found in both plant cell and animal cell, which are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and mitochondria. This is the similarities between the plant cell and animal cell. But inside the plant cell, we have three structures that doesn't have in animal cell, which are cell wall, which give the cell its shape. Number two, the vacuole, which contains the cell sap and keeps the cell firm, preserve the cell. And finally, the plant cell have chloroplast, which is highly amount in green plant and responsible for the process of photosynthesis to make their own food, So the plant cell have three structures doesn't present in the animal cell, but we will explain the structure, these organelles and their function. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance where the chemical reactions occur. Okay, cell membrane, it's a barrier that controls exit or entrance of the substances to the cell. Nucleus contains the genetic material and it controls the growth of the cell. Mitochondria, where the respiration occurs, which is a cellular respiration. What about the three structures which are present in the plant cell and doesn't found in the animal cell? First one is the cell wall, which strengthens the cell and provides support. Number two, vacuole, which is the sap vacuole. Large vacuole contain cell sap and keeps the cell firm. Firstly, we have chloroplasts, which present in enormous amount in the plant cells where photosynthesis occur, where the animal do its own food, obtain their own food by making photosynthesis by chloroplast. Okay, my dear students, now we will talk about the movement of the substances into and out of the cell. Particles move into and out of the cell by diffusion. During diffusion, the particles spread out from where they are in high concentration condition to where they are in low concentration condition. So this is the high concentration condition, and this is low concentration condition. By diffusion, the substances or the particles move from high concentration condition to low concentration condition. الجلوكوز and the oxygen move from the blood into the cells by diffusion. Carbon dioxide moves out of the cell to the blood by diffusion. So this is the diffusion process. Okay. Now we will take a specialized cell which consists of the present in a cell and have a specific job function. Number one, in plant cell, we have root hair cell, leaf cell. A root hair cell function of it absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Absorb water and the nutrients from the soil to bring it or to transport to all parts of the plant. Root hair creates a large surface area for more absorption of sunlight. No chloroplast as no light underground. For root hair, there is no chloroplast as there is no light under the ground. Okay. Okay. Number two, leaf cell, which is the palisade cells, carry out photosynthesis process where it is found at the top surface of leaves, backed with chloroplasts, thin with large surface area to absorb more amount of sunlight, so can carry out the photosynthesis process. Animal cell, red blood cell, transport the oxygen around the body, contain hemoglobin, which joins to oxygen. Number two, have no nucleus. Number three, disc shape to increase surface area. Okay. Number three, it's the nerve cell, which is a neurons. Carry electrical impulses around the body. Long and thin with connections that at each end. At each end, there is a connection. Number five, sperm cell, which carry male genetic material. A streamlined head and long tail. This is a streamlined head and long tail. And this piece is filled with mitochondria. This piece is filled with mitochondria for production of energy. Lots of mitochondria present in the sperm cell for production of energy, to transfer energy, and for the movement of the sperm, which allow more energy to move. Okay, my dear students, we will explain aerobic respiration. The glucose and the oxygen give us carbon dioxide and water. Respiration occurs in the mitochondria of cells to transfer energy. Glucose is absorbed from the small intestine into the blood plasma. It is transported to the cell where diffused in. by the way of diffusion. Oxygen is breathed in and diffuses into the blood streams. Oxygen is then carried by hemoglobin red blood cells to cells of the body, where it diffuses by diffusion, where it diffuses into these cells from the blood. Okay? Carbon dioxide diffuses out of the cells into the blood plasma. It is then transported to the lungs where it diffuses into the air space and is exhaled. Thank you, my dear listeners. We will complete in the another session. See you soon. Goodbye.